why I got rid of my wood mulch, and you should too. Stay tuned for a giveaway where you can actually get a free box of pine straw. Hey guys, this is the Thoughtful Gardener, and I'm super excited to talk to you about my go-to mulch for pollinator gardens. It is pine straw. This is longleaf pine straw, and there are 5 reasons why I think you're going to want it in your garden versus traditional wood mulch. The first and most important reason is this is a sustainable resource. It falls from the trees and it is weed free. That's number 2. One of the biggest complaints I get from clients who insist on wood mulch is there's all kinds of new weeds that have been introduced into the yard. Not a surprise there whatsoever. Number 3, a lot of people in this area love the dyed wood mulch. That is really a no-no if you are doing pollinator or vegetable gardening, because we don't want to introduce chemicals in the garden that are going to impact your health, your pet's health, or your kids' health. I don't like it and I don't use it, but it's extremely popular here in central Pennsylvania. My top reason for using this mulch, though, is it's lightweight. I'm only 5'2". I cannot manage wheelbarrow after wheelbarrow full of heavy wood mulch, which means I've got to hire somebody to do it for me. So if you're looking to do more, you're doing it yourself, or you're looking to make it where it's easy for you to replace mulch and keep mulch going, that's probably one of my favorite reasons. But 5th, for those pollinator gardeners out there, one of the challenges of wood mulch is that as your natives go to seed, it's very difficult for them to get root in a wood chip bed. In a pollinator bed that is with this material, however, it's extremely easy for those seeds to reseed, which makes it very good if you're trying to increase the number of pollinator plants in your garden for free. You're wanting to increase the genetic diversity by having seeds. And 3, like me, you want to share those plants with other thoughtful gardeners like you. Now, you stay tuned through the whole video. So now let's talk about how you can win a box of pine straw. Mid-Atlantic Pine Straw has partnered with me on this video, and they're going to give one of you lucky viewers an entire box of this for free. Now, you have to be in the contiguous United States, but it's going to ship to your door, and this is probably one of my most favorite things about this product is they routinely drop this at my door or my client's door, making it super easy. I don't have to go get this. But they're going to bring it to you, and what you need to do is tag a friend in this video. So put their contact information down below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. But then I want you to go over to Mid-Atlantic, and I want you to subscribe there because they've got other really fantastic products like salt hay. For you vegetable gardeners, this is the go-to mulch, especially because it not only keeps the weeds down, but it feeds your plants at the same time. So longleaf pine is the bomb. It has extremely long fibers, has this beautiful red-brown color, and I love it. And I think you're going to love it in your garden too. Garden thoughtfully and take care.